were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Daddy, you cracking eggs, Dad?
You're cracking eggs?
Okay, first we gotta do this one. Here, can you hold that?
I do.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining today to watch Chloe on her very special 3rd birthday. Chloe had requested that her birthday theme be airplane related because she has decided that she wants to be an airplane pilot when she grows up. So she has a little pilot costume, as you see, and we tried to do our very best to make her an airplane birthday party. We started off our day with pancakes, and then we had a drive-through parade birthday party, and Ryan's parents were able to come in town, which was really awesome that she got to see her Grammy and Papa, as well as the family that we have in town that drove by for the parade. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me put together her special birthday, and make sure to leave a comment down below wishing Chloe a happy birthday. And don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, hit that red subscribe button today for me and give this video a big thumbs up. Alright guys, enjoy.
Time has gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
So since her birthday party was airplane themed, we got some mini liquor bottles and little cocktails to pass out as goodie bags for the grown-ups that were coming on by.
So much more. And I still wonder where you are. If you found a way out.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time.
I hope you enjoyed coming along with us for Chloe's 3rd birthday. She had so much fun playing pilot for the day, and we had a ton of fun with our friends and family driving by, or should I say flying by, to celebrate her airplane party. She also got a very special surprise the next morning we got her her very own bicycle. We're still working on learning how to work those pedals, but she is so excited to have her own bike. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining. We love you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Seconds faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and